Your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Get your hands.
And that bitch goes off. I didn't do it.
Today we're diving back into the dangers of alcohol through the following situations. Watch how the transformation from a good citizen to a nightmare for the police unfolds under the influence of alcohol. We're bringing you two situations caught on cameras. On August 16th, 2022, an officer noticed a woman named Christina driving with an open container of alcohol. After pulling her over, she got out of the car and started walking away.
Close your door. Close your door. Hey, get back in your f***ing car. Get back in your car.
No, I'm not. I parked right there.
6205 dispatch. Female's walking away from the vehicle.
I parked there.
Put your hands behind-
As the officers approached, they immediately noticed a strong smell of alcohol. When asked to return to the car, she responded dismissively and started resisting.
Put your hands
Get
behind
your
your back.
hands away
Put your
from
hands
me.
behind your back.
Get your hands.
Put your hands behind your back.
What is wrong?
Put your hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
Owen, get off of me now.
Put your hand behind your back.
No,
Put your hand behind your back.
What is wrong with you? No, stop.
Put your other fucking
Sorry.
hand behind your back.
Sorry, babe. No.
Hey, man. I'll put
Get off of me.
5 dispatch. I got one female resisting counties out with me. Put your fucking hand behind your back like I told you.
I did nothing wrong.
Yes, you did.
What did I do wrong? Ow.
Stand up.
Stop. I will.
No, you're not going to walk away from a traffic stop.
It was not a traffic stop. Sorry. It was not. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you
Thanks, man.
serious?
Appreciate you stopping. Yeah, you can't just walk away from a traffic stop.
I didn't.
It's all on
Thank
camera.
you.
It's all on camera.
How is it? No, I didn't.
Oh, sorry. Walk.
No. Are you
That's pretty
serious?
dumb. Yeah, I'm serious. That was really dumb what you did.
What did I do? I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay. All right. Good. Okay, we put
Are
it
you
back in my car.
serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
What did I do? I didn't do anything wrong.
Take a seat in the car. You're under arrest right now, okay? So I have to read your Miranda rights now and explain everything, okay?
An officer read her rights and explained the situation to help her understand why she was being arrested.
You can choose at any time to exercise your rights and not talk to me. Okay, and if you can't afford one will be appointed to you. Do you understand all that? Your behavior, you're under arrest for DUI as well, okay? So DUI, resisting.
He asked her to complete a few tests to prove she was sober enough to drive, but she refused. On the way to the police department, Christina repeatedly questioned and insulted the officer, but it all came to a halt when he brought her to jail.
I'd like to know what justice you did though.
Okay, hop over there.
Blue head.
Blue head.
Blue ass. Oh, you found.
Go to that door, okay?
Yeah.
Right there.
I heard you. Where you from?
I'm from the Midwest. You know, when I was pulling you over, I thought I was going to meet someone really nice. I saw Minnesota.
We're not.
Huh?
We're not, so we meet nice people.
I'm nice. Just wouldn't recommend walking away from a traffic stop next time.
How much was Christina charged with? Let's find out in the end of this video after the second situation. On March 1st, 2024, police saw a female driver named Rachel in Lake County, Florida, swerving all over the road and nearly hitting a curb. They quickly pulled the car over, but that's when things took a turn for the worse.
I'm talking to you the entire time.
You're not going to be able to talk on the phone while you...
I'm not talking on the phone with my husband.
You're not going to be able to while...
But I feel like I'm being cheated. Because I just went to go get the kids medicine. So I'm confused and I'm pissed. I'm sorry. Okay. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm a little bit pissed off. So I'm going to hang up the phone and I'm going to put it...
Do you want to put your phone inside the car too?
It's in my pocket, motherfucker. Come on now.
I feel like this is a good level area too.
Did I kill somebody? Did I hurt somebody?
No,
Someone told me the reason why all of this is
I told you when I was driving down the street, you swerved. You was on the other
Yeah, I
side.
swerved. I just got back from my girlfriend, my very best friend Erica's house, and she's on the street that the Shell station is on, and I was trying to get my fucking music right, and I might have swerved trying to get my music. She's on the Shell station street, but I promise you, I'm not fucking anything up. I'm not gonna kill somebody. I'm not gonna hurt anybody.
Come this way. There's no. You're good right here. They're putting takedowns. Just walk this way with me. You can walk regular. Walk with me.
No. I'm not moving unless somebody tells me to move.
You can move. Come on.
How and
Just
where?
walk up to me.
How and where?
In the
Can I fucking go home, bro? I have kids and like a husband. Like, no, I gotta go through this check and this check and
you have to
this check.
make sure everything is okay.
Bro, I want to go home.
If everything goes well on this, and you see that you're okay to drive,
Obviously, dude, I'm at the most chill, like everything.
he's gonna start here in just a second, okay?
I'm the most chill ever. No, what do you mean, dude? They wouldn't pull me over for no reason.
I mean, if everything goes
You're
well,
lying.
No,
You're a
if everything goes
liar.
well here, then you're all good.
But you're a
If you
liar,
can show me that
though.
you were okay to
Because
drive,
I've been in this situation where I didn't have anything in the car, and people have been like, "Oh, we're gonna take you to jail anyways, and then you have to do this, that, and the other."
After being asked to perform a field sobriety test, Rachel refused and started doing strange things, making the situation even worse.
And taking that.
Okay,
like,
so
I'm
I'm going to be the one giving directions right now. So just listen to me. You don't have to listen to anything else. Just me while I give you
I
instructions.
don't want to, but I'm going to.
If you don't want to, I can't force you to do anything you don't want to do. So if you don't want to, by any means, you don't have to. You said you understand the instructions, but
that light off?
No.
Because my instructions don't include an extra LEO light on me. Do they?
I'm going to read this again. It says, follow with your eyes and your eyes only, and do not move your head with your hands by your side.
Right.
And feet together.
And that bitch goes off.
No.
Right?
No.
No? Alright, pull a judge out here. Tell me what they think.
You're not following instructions, first off.
My instructions involve
Where to
a
put your feet
blue light
together,
in my
your-
face, and that motherfucker can put that light
Put your
behind
feet
his
together
back.
and hands by your side.
They've been here this whole time.
Okay, and
Uh-huh.
follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head.
So
Don't look
tell
at me.
the light that's
The
in
light
my
is not
eyes
coming off.
from the
The
background.
light is not coming off.
The light from the background can go off. Otherwise, I'll sue you, and you for the same thing.
Okay.
Turn it off.
So we're going to just go to the next exercise.
No, we're gonna go ahead and go with the same
No, 'cause
exercise.
I explained multiple
And
times, you have not been listening.
Are gonna turn that.
Listen to me.
Light off.
Listen to me. I'm
Thank
the
you.
one conducting the exercises. I'm giving the instructions.
Does the exercise say side piece holds?
Are you gonna listen to me what I say?
Side piece holds light. Get the
You
fuck
lis-
out my way.
You listen to the instructions.
Freedom of speech, get the fuck out my way.
Either listen to the instructions, or we just don't do it.
Okay, let's listen to the instructions. Get the fuck out my way.
She took out her phone trying to call her husband, disturbing the field sobriety test that she was doing. At this moment, they decided to arrest her.
And your right foot directly.
Hold on, let me call my husband.
Yeah.
You're under arrest at this point.
No,
You're resisting.
no, I'm not. I'm trying.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm trying to call my husband.
Nope, you're under arrest
And
at
I'm
this point.
trying to walk.
Nope,
I'm
give me your
trying to
phone.
walk.
Give me your phone.
No, I'm trying to walk. I'm trying to walk. I'm trying to walk without my husband.
Cool, you're in
I'm trying to walk without my husband. I'm trying to walk. I hate you, bitch. You have no fucking idea. Resisting? I want my phone. Oh my god, guys. Guys, I will do it if you speak to me.
No, you just popped down when you did that.
Listen,
Get
you don't
in.
do what you're doing.
Even after being taken to jail, Rachel refused to cooperate with the officers, continuously talking and crying without listening to their instructions. Her refusal to follow directions only prolonged the process and made the situation more difficult for everyone involved.
right? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Don't hold my hands. You guys are all monsters. I did not do fuck. Yeah. Why are you listening? Why the fuck am I in this fucking thing when I am so cooperative? And why people are trying to pull things off of me when I can pull my own ring off of me and give it to them? What the fuck is
Rachel, I understand you were brought here.
What's her name?
You were brought here.
I want to know her name.
Okay.
Noticing she wasn't focused on the investigation, the officer decided to take her to another room to continue his work.
Everybody here so you can talk.
I obviously don't care what you do. I don't want to go in there. My husband will bail me out.
I'm sure you
I
will.
didn't do anything wrong. I promise. I didn't do anything wrong. So was I driving bad? I wasn't driving bad. You did that. You told me.
After the final results were in, a police officer approached Rachel, informed her of her rights, and charged her with the offenses she had committed.
You have the right to an attorney and have him or her present with you before and during any question. If you cannot afford an attorney,
He didn't do the questioning
to represent you before and during any question.
He didn't tell me that I was supposed to go home.
You can decide
If I had passed
and not
the
answer
test.
any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
I passed every test. I didn't answer a question. Look at me. I passed every test.
Okay, can you listen?
Why am I still here?
Listen.
Why? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me in my fucking eyes. Look at me in my fucking eyes right now. Why am I still here if I passed?
Okay, I need you to answer my questions first and then I answer yours.
No, I have children.
Okay, do you understand the rights I've explained to you? Do you understand?
Why am I not home when I passed?
Do you understand?
I passed all the tests. I passed all the tests.
Do you understand?
What's
these
his
rights?
name? W1.
You don't want to talk and walk out. So I'm asking, do you understand the rights I've explained to you?
I passed all of the tests.
In the end, Christina was charged with her third DUI offense within 10 years and resisting an officer without violence. These are serious charges with heavy consequences, especially for repeated violations. And Rachel faced serious consequences for her actions. For her second DUI offense, she could face up to 9 months in jail and fines up to $2,000. Obstruction without violence could add another $1,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail, while possession of THC oil might result in a fine of up to $5,000 and 5 years in prison. Christina and Rachel's reckless choices not only put their own life at risk, but also endangered others on the road. This experience serves as a strong reminder of the importance of making responsible decisions regarding alcohol and substance use. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.